So the 2022 Flagstaff Super Lite 27BH comes with a power tongue jack and a setup for 2 batteries and an inverter, large storage on the outside, and then has electric stabilizers front and back. Comes with a little barbecue and a table. It's got 2 entrances with solid step on each entrance, 2 power awnings, and an outside kitchen with a small electric refrigerator and a 2-burner stove. And of course you can climb on the roof using the ladder, and then you have a storage door that slips under the bunk beds, a spare tire, and then a hitch on the back for your bicycles and things of that nature. And around the other side you have an outside kitchen and all of your docking station, which includes your 50 amp cord and your fresh water fills, city water, cable satellite, and black tank flush. This unit does have 2 slide outs, one that goes for the living room and one for the bedroom. And now, let's take a look inside. Inside, you have theater seating, a U-shaped dinette, and then you have blackout and day shades. If you look above, you'll see cabinets above the theater seating, big enough for, let's call it, a dinner plate. And then there are reading lights right below the cabinets, and those are recliners, by the way. And then, I know you probably can't see really well, but there are drawers underneath the dinette for storage, and it does turn into a bed. In the kitchen, you got some decent counter space for a small unit with big cupboards for like your pots and pans. And then a 2-piece sink with covers to give you that extra space for cutting boards, laying your fruits and vegetables. And then GFI plug right behind for that lovely blender. 3 drawers down below with a small cubby for your utensils and your cooking. And they lock into place, so when you travel you're not going to find them swinging out. And then access for your sink and a little bit of storage. You have a little bit bigger oven for this coach, along with a 3-burner stove on a glass top. Again, the glass top gives you a little more counter space. Eight cubic foot refrigerator. It's gas or electric in this particular model. You did have a microwave next to it. And then as we sit down in the theater seating right below, you're going to see an electric fireplace. Yes, it does output heat as long as you're plugged in or running a generator. And then you have your television, your speakers, and your radio system. As we walk around, you're going to see 2 full-size bunk beds. The bottom bunk folds up to give you storage underneath. And then one of my personal favorite is the pantry. And as we swing around, we're going to get to the bathroom, which has sink, toothbrush holder, medicine cabinet, and then a good spot for the toilet where you have some chicken wing space, and then a large shower with shower glass door. As we swing around to see the living room again, we're going to walk towards the bedroom, which to close off the bedroom is a pocket door. You have a wardrobe slide, walk around queen bed, second air conditioner dedicated for the bedroom, and then as you saw, the second entrance that goes directly into the master bedroom, and then large wardrobe closet. And then there's storage under the bed. Now if you like this video, please give us a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel to spread this information to other RVers or future RVers. And also, here's another walkthrough video. And that walkthrough video will be in 3, 2, 1, bang. Okay, now click on the next video. Just kidding.